I'm Kate Franklin. I am from TWI Limited, and we're based in the UK, and we're an RTO that specialises in friction welding. We have 2 robotic systems and we have 4 gantry machines.
We have a partnership which makes you have currently a Stirweld head. Can you tell us what motivated you or what drove you to have this additional equipment in your facility?
One of the reasons for having the Stirweld head is making sure that our equipment is industrially relevant. So not just having R&D equipment, which we have, but is very specialised, that somebody can buy off the shelf and it matches their needs. Also, we have the upgraded version with the retracting probe that enables us to do things like tanks where we can't leave an exit hole.
So you say tanks is one of the major applications you are working on friction stir welding today?
Yeah, we're looking a lot at tanks, at cold plates, at battery trays, but then we also try and do things that are a little bit more niche, so trying to look into the nuclear sector, into the defence market, into the space sector to see where there's some more challenging applications. We try and be a little bit ahead of industry in terms of what we can achieve, and then hopefully bring industry along with us so that that's the thing that they're going to be using in the future years in industry.
I have been told you organize an event in May so that you can help democratize it. Do you want to tell a few words about it?
So we've been hosting the Friction Stir Welding Symposium for quite a long time now. It runs every 2 years and we're hosting it between the 19th and the 21st of May in 2026 in Cambridge. So we'll be doing demonstrators on our machines as well. But we're trying to bring the academia and the development and the industry together all in one place to see how friction stir welding can help them in the future. It's exciting for us to have something that other people that we can use on a larger machine. So the Stirweld, you guys have it here on a robotic head and on a small gantry machine. We have a much larger gantry machine, so we're able to do much larger components and do demonstrators of those if that's what people need.
Thank you very much, Kate, for your interview and for this partnership.
Thank you.